Hi, I'm Ava, and this is the Strong for Life Car Seat Safety Lab. No boat puns about lowering anchors today. Like a toddler moving on from a rear-facing car seat, this video is too grown up for that. It's time to talk about installing forward-facing car seats using lower anchors. Let's cast off. Like with every other car seat and booster seat you'll buy, you need to read the manual. You might be tempted to say, nah, this one uses lower anchors just like the rear-facing one. I'll be fine. But that's a classic mistake. Installing forward-facing car seats using lower anchors is not the same as a rear-facing car seat. For instance, all forward-facing car seats have a tether anchor like this. It goes up and over your vehicle seat, but check your vehicle's manual because some recommend going over the headrest while others favor going underneath it. Any car made after 2003 will have at least 3 of these tether anchors, and you should check your vehicle's manual to find exactly where they are. Clip the tether anchor into place and tighten. Once you've secured the tether anchor, it's time to move on to the lower anchors. These are the metal bars hidden in the crease of the seat. You have to find them, take your lower anchor hooks, put them over, not under. Tighten the lower anchor straps until the car seat doesn't move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back at the belt path. If you're using this method, just remember, there's a weight limit of 65 pounds child and car seat combined. Now that we've secured a car seat, it's time to learn how to safely buckle a child into one. I'm ready. Are you?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's go, come on. Make sure your child's harness straps are in a position at or slightly above their shoulders, then buckle them in. To make sure the harness is snug, do a pinch test. If you can pinch the harness up at the shoulders or hips like this, then it's too loose. We have to tighten it up. Perfect. The chest clip should be at armpit level. And that's it. Your child is ready to ride in their forward-facing car seat. Make sure to check the weight limits for your car seat's lower anchors and straps so you know when it's time to take the next step. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.